News that's breaking. 2G accused A. Raja is now responding to reports on JPC's clean chit to the Prime Minister and then Finance Minister Chidambaram in the 2G case. The former telecom minister saying he did everything in consultation with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, saying he's going to send a 200-page report to the Joint Parliamentary Committee on Monday that will prove his innocence. That's even as the BJP and left have called that JPC report farcical, asking how it reached the media first. We do know the JPC chairman has said that he hasn't given a clean chit despite what media reports are saying. Here's a former telecom minister.
I did everything in consultation with the Prime Minister. I have full faith in the judiciary. I will send a detailed report to the JPC. I will prove my innocence.
Let's speak to our Deputy National Affairs Bureau Chief Pallavi Ghosh. Pallavi, in fact, A. Raja has been maintaining in court as well. He was not acting alone. He was keeping the Prime Minister in the loop on all the decisions he was taking. So in a sense, this is not a surprise that he's spoken out now.
No, not at all, Parul, because that has always been the crux of the argument of A. Raja. I mean, remember that Kapil Sibbal's press conference also where he said that there was nothing wrong with the policy, the implementation was wrong. Very clearly, the government pushing on the entire blame on the telecom minister. Well, when A. Raja did come out of jail, and he has always been consistently holding this stand that it was a decision which was taken by the cabinet, and the Prime Minister and the then Finance Minister, Mr. Chidambaram, were very much in the loop. And that was precisely the reason why he had, in fact, told Mr. P.C. Chacko that he wants to depose before the JPC to get his point across. And that's precisely the reason why Mr. Chacko and the Congress was extremely edgy, not wanting A. Raja to come before the JPC. Obviously, A. Raja's strong stand now, where he seems to be suggesting that both the Finance Minister and the Prime Minister was in the know, and therefore it's completely wrong of the JPC's draft report to put the entire blame on him, is going to be making the Congress extremely edgy and uncomfortable, especially ahead of the budget session which begins on Monday.
All right, Pallavi, apparently we have to leave it there for the moment, but of course this is going to be playing out politically with the political opposition hitting out at the JPC itself, saying that they will not accept that report that was leaked to the media, giving the Prime Minister and Mr. Chidambaram apparently a clean chit. Here's what the left's D. Raja had to say.
This report is somewhat a prejudiced report covering up some facts, trying to save some people at the higher echelons and blaming everything on one individual. This report is not acceptable to us.